it's Terrie Young in the Euclid Fish Retail Market Kitchen. We were just doing some clams outside. I get inspired by some other ideas I want to do for the next day because there's always some leftovers. So obviously the clams that we cooked yesterday are still good. You could take them out of the shell, and what we're going to make is a little clams and mussels sauce, and then serve it over some pasta or just eat it as is. So I'm warming up a nice big pan, adding a little bit of butter just to start it off. I'm using the Little Italy sauce, but we also have in the store the Pomodoro and a little spicier one, the Arrabbiata. And once you get here a little butter, we're gonna add that sauce to the pan, warm up the sauce, and when that gets going, we're gonna add the mussels. I don't know if you're gonna have lobster left over, but we did. And we're gonna serve it on top of this nice pizza, topped it with some little sauce and some provolone mozzarella cheese, a little arugula, chopped up the lobster, served it with a little spicy hot peppers, and a spicy tiger sauce, which is like a horseradish sauce. It's very good. We also have the smoked salmon version, and that has the capers and red onions on it. Eat it for breakfast, and you're on your way. We have our sauce simmering, and we're just gonna add the mussels, and these are gonna cook right in the sauce. You can also do this with clams. You could add a little bit of cod in there to make a complete meal. We're gonna be making our Manhattan and New England clam chowder. Don't forget to pick some up in the store. The recipe's from 1944, from Chef Comella himself, so I'm not messing with that. We can't wait to see you in the market. Let's give this a minute and we'll show you completed product. Look at this beauty. Woo-hoo. We're just gonna pour it in this beautiful serving dish, a little toasted bread. Oh, delicious. And then we're just gonna finish it off with a little bit fresh parsley just to brighten it up. Heaven on earth. Enjoy.